Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet High Country. Comes equipped with 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Chevy Safe Assist packages such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, as well as these oversized blacked out tires, factory catback performance exhaust, heads up display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google Assistant, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're going to have these huge doors with lots of extra paneling and storage just on the bottom. Comes equipped with the Bose premium speaker sound system, so you're going to have these huge speakers just on the bottom of the door here. It's going to have that wood, chrome, and black leather finish. It's going to have the seat memory and mirror memory here, as well as your high country badging and your power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows as well. These chrome running boards here, as well as your high country badging. Moving on the seats, these are premium leather, heated and ventilated high country seats. I apologize, you can see the high country badging right there. Inside here, of course on the left you can control your trailer tow package and your lighting system, and as well as your heads up display just right there. On the steering wheel now, you can see on the left side you have your cruise control, your heated steering wheel, and of course your forward collision alert. And on the right side you have your voice recognition and your media control. As well as behind you got your seek track and as well as your volume button, and behind it as well you're going to have these two matte black paddle shifters as well. It's going to come equipped with an all digital display that you can access your fuel mileage, your lane keep assist, your speed limit, and so much more. Moving on to the center console here, you're going to have your push to start, your trailer tow, and of course it's going to have the heated and ventilated options as well as your multi-zone climate control as well. On the right side, you're going to have two USB ports, USB-A, USB-C. Of course, you have your lane keep assist, your park assist, as well as you control your lift gate, and that button hits all the windows down as well. Now onto the infotainment system. Of course, like I said, you're going to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google Assistant, and Play Store. Of course, you can access your cameras, your 360-degree camera, of course, your front, your two tires here at the front, your trailer hitch, and so much more. Of course, it comes with podcast, climate, and your own Wi-Fi hotspot as well. To the center console, you're going to have this little pad here, optional wireless charging. You're going to have this shifter, brand new, as well as you're going to have a little wireless charging pad right there. Sorry, that's not wireless. This part is wireless. Apologize for that. You're going to have the center console. You're going to have this brown stitching there as well. Here you're going to have two USB ports as well as an AC wall charger just right there as well. You're going to have this removable storage handle there, and you're going to have a little extra storage and light right there. Same finish on the passenger side. You're going to have that high country stitching just on the seat there, and it's going to have that same finish just on the passenger door as well. You're going to have this wood that goes across the paneling, as well as your glove compartment and extra storage, as well as the rear view mirror, digital and regular. Of course, you're going to have your reading lamps, and of course, you can also control your panoramic sunroof here as well. Onto the exterior, you're going to have these 22-inch oversized tires blacked out with your regular Chevrolet wheel cap badging. You're going to have your blacked out high country badging, as well as you're going to have the chrome finish on the door handles and as well as your mirrors, keyless entry as well. The side here, you're going to have your corner steps there as well. You're going to have that blacked out Silverado badging. And you're going to have your multifunctional tailgate here as well. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear, you're going to have that same finish there. You get a lot of extra storage there, as well as that Bose speaker just on the bottom of the door. And you're only going to have the power window, but you're going to have that same wood and chrome finish there as well. Of course, you're going to have lots of extra legroom and storage space here behind the passenger and driver's seat. Of course, you're going to have your ventilation, your rear heated seats, and two USB ports as well. And just behind the seats here, you're going to have extra storage there as well for any other miscellaneous items you may have, as well as a cup holder here just for that armrest, and you're going to have this back sliding window here as well. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet High Country. It comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as a factory catback performance exhaust, oversized wheels, tow hooks, LED running lamps, and so much more. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.